How to insert a table in Microsoft Word. This tutorial shows you how to add one and adjust it to fit exactly what you need. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. From there, click into the document where you want the table placed. After that, click the Insert tab in the ribbon. At this point, click Table. Following this, hover over the grid that appears to select how many rows and columns you want, then click to insert it. Once inserted, your table appears right where your cursor was, with evenly sized cells by default. At this stage, if you want more control over the exact size, click Table again instead of using the grid. Following this, click Insert Table from that dropdown. From here, enter the specific number of columns and rows you want. At this stage, click OK to insert it. Once your table is in place, click into any cell to start typing your content. Following this, if you need to adjust the table afterward, click anywhere inside it. From here, the Table Design and Layout tabs appear in the ribbon, letting you add rows, columns, change borders, or apply a different style. That's how you insert a table in Microsoft Word. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.